Hey there, I'm Rachel Meyers. I'm a breast cancer coach and I help women feel healthy and happy through breast cancer. So today's affirmation is, I can make cancer fun. And before you totally discount that statement, listen to my story. So when I was 44, I found out I had triple positive breast cancer, and I was seeing all kinds of doctors trying to find a natural way to heal my cancer without doing chemo and radiation. And I went to a naturopathic doctor, and he said when I came to his office, and this is before chemo or radiation or anything, he said I looked gray, I looked sick, and he didn't think I was going to make it, to be honest, based on the way I looked. But after talking to a breast cancer coach myself, I came to the conclusion that I needed to do whatever it took to make breast cancer fun so that I could get through it. I eventually did decide to do chemo and radiation. I felt like that was my best chance at survival, but I was able to get through it really well because of my attitude. I had a really positive attitude, and I was able to drop a lot of the things that I had been doing before. So my way of making cancer fun was to stop being a caregiver and take care of myself. And what that looked like in everyday life was just doing the things that I needed to do to get by, and eating healthy, exercising, having time for self-care, just basically taking care of myself instead of everybody else, because that got me into breast cancer in the first place. All the stress of, caretaking my family, my extended family, and I just needed to let that go for a while so that I could get strong myself. What do you need to let go in your life to let cancer be fun for you? Leave me a comment and let me know. Thanks for watching.